Hey, it's Dre from Clubhouse Garage. Today is a hectic day. Our friends at CMS are bringing their fleet of vehicles. They do it quarterly, and we have to get them all clean. Today we have 6 trucks to do, very big. The kicker is we have to get it done in an hour. Can we get it done? I don't know, but we're gonna try. Let's see. Alright guys, we have 2 of them done so far. The guys are working hard. Let's go check it out and see how they're feeling. How you feeling? We got 2 down.
There's 3 down.
3 down.
3.
Killing it? Guys are working hard. It's hot out here. We already asked Matt. Let's ask Miguel how he's feeling. Miguel, how are you feeling?
Like emotionally or physically?
Both.
Happy.
Happy?
Yes.
What if I told you there's one more coming?
Bring it on. Like Cusco.
Cool. Well, we have one more coming, so let's see. We got 30 minutes left. Still 2 left to go. Looks like I gotta get my hands dirty.